channel. My name is Magda Marcelin and today is day 7 of my vlogmas. Bienvenue dans channel là. Non, moi c'est Magda Marcelin. Jodi a c'est 7e jour dans vlogmas là. Jodi a m'a fait un petit ouvrir boîte. We're gonna be opening a box, guys. I'm gonna speak a little Creole in English because a lot of my subscribers are saying that I need to speak a little Creole as well. So bear with me while I'll speak a little English and Creole. And I know a lot of my supporters are English speakers, so that's why I do most of the videos in English. But today I'm gonna do it both in Creole and English. So I have a box here. I'm gonna do an unboxing for day 7. And so before I get into that, let me just give you guys a little background about me. I'm a preschool teacher. I have a BA in early childhood education, also K-5. Moi son professeur Timoun Piti, moi enseigne Timoun Piti. Moi gen en pile année depuis ma enseigne Timoun Piti. Spécialement moi te yon monitrice l'école depuis l'MT gen 16 ans. Moi fait toute l'année ma enseigne Timoun Piti et ça fait moi te ouais nécessaire pour m'entrer dans carrière enseignement Timoun. OK, so moi gen un bachelor in early childhood education at K-5, c'est kindergarten jusqu'à 5 grade. So moi était nécessaire que un professeur pour me partager un livre que vous pouvez acheter pour Timounou si vous voulez parler de Noël, mais qui a un bagage évangélique là-dedans, parce que il y a pile monde qui parler Timounou de Noël. Et nous connaissons Noël, c'est un bagage tout le monde fête, ou même au Kalaka ou pas fêter le tout, mais quand même dans la société, c'est un bagage où on doit parler de lui, il fait actualité, so faut apprendre de lui. So si c'est un chrétien, oui, ou t'as remis enseigner Timounou pour le caractère biblical, so qu'a chercher un bagage qui parlait de la Bible là-dedans, qui au café. Bien sûr, c'est le livre là qui vient, c'est pas les mêmes tout, ou juste ouais unboxing, non, m'a ouvert et puis m'a parlé de lui. So, pour mon minute, et m'a tourné back pour montrer le livre là. Nous allons ouvrir avec nous, nous allons ouvrir le livre là qui là dedans. Nous allons ouvrir le livre. Si nous voulons lire un livre là avec nous, nous écrit let me just say that in English because I took all the time to speak Creole. So being a preschool teacher, I thought the best I could bring something to show you guys what you can get for your children, especially while you're celebrating this holiday Christmas and you want to teach the kids about Christmas, but do it in a Christian way or perspective. So that's why I purchased this book, and I thought I would share it with you. If you want me to read the book, please note at the bottom of the video and in the comment section, read the book to the children. I'll be able to do it. So anyway, let's get on with it. I understand I have this book, so maybe this video is not made for children, but mostly it's for adults. So if you're getting this book for your kids, so this is from Amazon. I have the hard copy. It has in the back of the book, it has all the other books that you can purchase. It has the God Gave Us You, God Gave Us Two, God Gave Us Heaven, God Gave Us Love, God gave us Easter, God gave us the world, and God gave us angel, and God gave us so much, which is so true. God gave us so much. And the reason why I have this book to tell you that it is best to teach the children about a specific topic and have a book in mind that can go with the topic that you're speaking about, so that the children will be able to see all the illustration. And you know how much children love to see pictures, beautiful pictures. So anyway, I'm gonna just read just the back of the book, what it says. It says, Mama answers only leads to more questions. Wait, who invented Christmas? The children might ask you that. Who invented Christmas? And it says, Mama's answer only leads to more questions like, is God more important than Santa? So she and her little cub head on the polar expedition to find God and to see how He gave them Christmas. Along the way, they find signs that God is at work all around them. Though Mama's gentle guidance, little cub learns about the very first Christmas and discovers that Jesus is the best present of all. Jesus is the best present of all. This enchanting tale provides the perfect opportunity to help your young children celebrate the true meaning of Christmas and to discover how much God loves them. So, and it's like $10.99. I don't remember exactly how much I pay. I'm pretty sure it's probably a little less, but on the back of it, it says it's the US is $10.99 and it's $12.99 in Canada. So ti liv sa livan $10.99. Sou vle pale ti mounou de Noël, ou ka achete li pou ka pale avec ti mounou de Noël. So li gen bel illustration la dan. Si nou vle pou m li tout liv la, if you want me to read the book for the children, maybe sitting under the tree and read the story for the children. So this is what I have for today, for day 4. It's more of a review and just a little helpful tip if you want to talk about Christmas with the children and you want to do it in a Christian perspective way, to purchase a book that can relate to what you're gonna be teaching the kids. So this is the back cover and the front cover, like I always say to the kids when I'm reading a story to them. So go ahead and purchase this, and it will be definitely worthwhile to read it to the kids so that you can let them know about God, like God gave us Christmas. Yes, let them know about Christmas in a Christian way. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you on my next video. Take care and God bless you. Bye-bye. I forgot to mention the author's name. The author's name is Lisa Tar Berggren, and the art illustration is by David Horn. Yes, so here it is, so you can see. Yes, that's it. You can see the name.